We have to ask that. I mean, are you actively looking right now today at opportunities like this? Are you always hungry for it?
We went and raised capital in the month of May in the markets in the peak of the COVID period. We were delighted that investors gave us capital.
So if we can come to the banking space specifically, is such an important sector to actually get the economy back up. Specifically, how do you see all these public sector banks being consolidated? We say we're an underbanked country. Will the consolidation help with the spread of banking, or will it make it more slow?
My view is, Anant, we need 4 to 5 strong public sector banks. And we need a strong and a healthy private sector.
Yes.
And if you look at the history, there was a time when public sector banking was 90% plus of the Indian banking. It's now about 65%. And my personal view is, over time, if we get to a balance which is around the 50-50, that's not a bad place to be.
And do you see a lot of private sector consolidation happening, private sector banking consolidation?
See, consolidation is always an option. And I think it depends on the situation. And over time, I do believe that few players will be getting to be significant players. And if you look at the position worldwide, globally, there are 5, 6, 7, 8 banks in most countries who are the larger banks. And then you have a whole host of smaller banks. I think India will go on similar lines over time.
And we have to ask that. I mean, are you actively looking right now today at opportunities like this? Are you always hungry for it?
We went and raised capital in the month of May in the markets in the peak of the COVID period. We were delighted that investors gave us capital, and we did make a statement in our offer document that the purpose of raising capital is threefold. Number 1, to strengthen our balance sheet. Number 2, to go for organic growth. And number 3, to be open for inorganic growth. So that's exactly how we are thinking about our business.